Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make churro cheesecake bars. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to be doing, la primera cosa que van a estar haciendo is to get your 2 cream cheeses. Okay, so my sister's going to be making this. I'm going to be showing her how to make it. So if you see many hands, that's why. So first, get your 2 cream cheeses. And make sure to be that it's in room temperature, okay? Okay, so now you're just gonna mix your 2 cream cheeses. Con una spatula, did I say that? Una spatula? Okay, with a spatula, you're just gonna like get the cream cheese from the sides and keep mixing, beating. Ya que se mire todo creamy, like nice looking, we're gonna add the vanilla and the lemon. Okay, so once you see that your cream cheese ya no tiene bolitas, que ya está todo like, queda como ya smooth, okay, without bumps, yeah, like cream cheese, like bolitas de cream cheese, you can add your sugar. And you can add your vanilla. The vanilla, you can add 1 teaspoon. We're gonna add 1 cap because that's how I do it. Okay, there, you can add it. Okay, now you're just gonna mix all this together. And this is my way of doing, you know, the cream cheese mixture. My way. And it works for me. And just mix it until ya mires que todo está incorporado, that everything's mixed together. Remember to scrape up the sides so that can be mixed well with all the mixture. Oh, did I mention that I added the lemon zest? Well, you can add as much lemon zest as you want, or you can omit it. O sea, es opcional si le quieres poner el lemon zest. I do it because I really like the taste of cream cheese with, you know, the lemon zest. Okay, so I almost forgot. I'm also gonna add sour cream. I'm gonna add 1/4 of sour cream. And mix it all together. Seriously. Okay, so now we're gonna be opening these and getting ready our, our base? Crust. Okay, open it.
I can do it, guys.
Yeah, I think that's me. Instructions. Okay, now open it carefully. Just like that. Try to close this up as much as possible as you can by pinching it, right? And so I'm gonna be using this. This is what I have. I mean, if you have uno de vidrio, you can use that. Yo le puse aluminio because my pan ya está como bien usado, bien viejo, bien rusty. Ya no se le quita eso y pues se mira feo. And I put it a wax paper. Y lo que ustedes van a hacer en whatever you decide to use. Abajo, simplemente, como si estás usando un traste de vidrio, glass one, just add your sugar and cinnamon, right? And then you're gonna put this there. Okay, so our pan was smaller, right? Y la masa cuando se extendió, hubiera podido caber en un pan más grande, ¿verdad? So what we did is que doblamos la masa, and this is how it worked for us. Y pues simplemente ya solamente we're
Spreading.
So once your masa, it's in the pan already, your crust, now you're gonna add your cheesecake mixture in there. Okay, so now once that is in there, the cheesecake mixture, now we're gonna go ahead and, whoa, we're gonna open this up and y eso va a ir arriba del cheesecake, okay? Okay, so now as y'all can tell, this is too big for that. So what was I trying to tell you guys that we did with the bottom part is que esto lo doblamos together. Do it.
Demanding.
And then simplemente los hoyitos que miran ahí, pues los sellamos, ¿verdad? Just like that. Like if you're pinching someone.
I'll pinch you.
If y'all know how to pinch someone, you already know how to do this. Okay, guys. So, ya simplemente esto lo ponen encima de tu cream cheese mixture. El vestido le quedó un poco pequeño. Okay, so now you're gonna do a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, and you're gonna spread it arriba de eso. Oh, I never do. No, not like that.
Oh, good.
Well, yeah, you can do it like that, but I would prefer to mix it in a separate bowl. My sister is not following instructions, guys.
YOLO.
Pero no pasa nada. It'll still work. Okay, so now we're gonna be adding half a cup of the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Because remember, guys, pues son churro cheesecake bars. So if you ever ate a churro, this is what it has. Okay, so it was in the oven for 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Okay, so once your cheesecake is cool, all you're gonna do is cut it up into bars, and there you have your churro cheesecake bars. Thank you so much for watching. If you love cheesecake and churros, it's a great combination. Try them.